Hello everybody. Today we're going to do more rhythm. So again, I'm going to do the same thing that I kind of did yesterday. Is I'm going to do the first two on each page with you for the rhythms. And then I want you to complete them on your own for the rest of it. Okay? So, one thing that is new to you guys this time around is a dotted quarter note. So we kind of talked about a dotted half note where it takes half the amount and it adds it into the original. So right there you have one beat and then you have to add half a beat to it. So it's 1/2 really there. So the way we're going to count this is 1 and then 2, but because you have an 8th note there, which is half a beat, that's and. So anytime you see those paired, you're always going to have a, not always in music, but for our sake, for our rhythm, you're always going to have a dotted a dotted quarter note with an 8th note. Okay? So we have 1, 2, and. And then we have 2 8th notes, which are counted as 3 and. And again, remember, our time signature is 3, 3, 4. So what that means is there's 3 beats in a measure. So I'm going to draw my bar line right there. Here, I have a dotted half note. So that is 1, 2, 3. It's worth 3 beats. So right there I can draw my bar line there, because that's where my measure ends. And then finally I have 2 8th notes, so 1 and then I have the same thing that we kind of had only this time it's later. So a dotted quarter note with an 8th note, so that is 2, 3, and. So that ends my measure. So again, I'm going to draw my line with my thicker line here and color that in. So I want you guys to then finish the next couple here on the page. And then I'm also going to do the first one here with you on this. This time our time signature though is 4, 4. So that means there's 4 beats in a measure. So we start with just a quarter note, which is 1. And then I have 2 8th notes, so 2 and then I have 2 8th notes, 3 and then I have a quarter note, 4. So I'm going to draw my bar line there. Here I have a half note that's worth 2 beats, so 1, 2, and then I have my 8th notes, which is worth 1.5, so I have 3 and then my quarter note, which is 4. Again, I'm going to draw my line. So I want you to do your best and try doing the rhythms for the rest of them. Okay? Good job, guys!